Hello, Somani Tiles is a well-known brand name in ceramics and tile industry. Their representation of India in ISH 2025 reaffirms their commitment towards sustainability and aesthetics. Mr. Srivatsa Somani talks to us more about this international odyssey.
So this is our second year at second time at ISH. We brought a lot of our products that we build in our plants, like the high-end stuff we brought here, just to give a showcase of that we are also making high-quality material, but obviously at much more reasonable prices than most of the places over here, I would say. We're a product-first company. Even though we are a challenger brand, we have the pedigree of tiles where we arguably make the best products. Last time was a very good experience. Exports generally has been a very small percentage of our business. Even at our tile level, it's between 2 to 3%. In our bathware, it's even smaller. So now, last time at ISH, it was a very, very good experience for us. Almost doubled our exports since. So we came here. I think we have a very good set of things to offer. We have water saving features. We have things that are important, especially on the west, with a lot of water saving stuff and sustainable. I think it's distinct in the way where they really actually care about water saving. Although even in India, we should be caring more about water saving. But frankly, I don't think we're there yet. India is obviously more of a सबसे अच्छा quality और सबसे सस्ता कौन सा है? That's India for you. Europeans will pay for the quality, they will pay for the water saving, and they actually care about it. So if I market something as water saving, they will think about it. And that's been the theme over here. So my mind always goes to water because I'm in the business of water at the end of the day. For our range of products, probably the smaller countries in Europe, like Malta, like I said, a lot of Africa, work with quite a few distributors. Like I said, it's a very small piece of our business, but still we work with distributors here in Africa, in England. That's why we're here, because it's picking up and we want to show that we're in the stall which has a lot of the Chinese players, and we are still significantly undercutting them on price because it's just become more expensive for them there. All our raw materials are completely Indian. For sanitary ware, of course, you have Khangar and all these places where you get your clay from between Rajasthan and Gujarat. We get our clay. Ceramic, by definition, is a very sustainable product. It's fired with gas and it's completely biodegradable and all those things. As far as our faucets are concerned, we are 100% Indian in terms of our manufacturing. For our French collection, we use the higher end cartridges that we import from Germany. So because that's the need of the hour at that point, where that kind of dealer confidence comes with these kind of parts, because they know that our brass is not going to get spoiled. Our PVD coating is done in the same plant that gets their PVD coating done from. So we have very high quality of our manufacturing, but the things that, like our child parts that we don't manufacture, we buy from the best. I can attest to the quality as to, I know my PVD coating will not fade, it will not scratch, it will not get the marks, the watermarks, hard watermarks on it. And therefore I'm giving you a higher warranty from my end for my PVD coated product. We make sure that our quality speaks in terms of its usage. So I test all of the products we build, I test in my own house. Even sanitary ware products I test at home. And until those feedback loops are not completed, we don't go into like mass production of something. So it's been a very good experience, a lot of learning. And the biggest learning actually is how to market your product, because these guys, the Europeans, are truly masters of marketing. The beautiful ways that they've hung their products, the beautiful way they've displayed their products. So my biggest learning coming here, aside from having a booth, is just learning on how to show your product. For example, one big learning is, if you look around the fair right now, earthen colors are the new thing, which is completely different to how we operate in our country, where we want things a little louder. I'm not saying that's a bad thing, that's just how we are culturally. Over here, if you go see, like especially in the Chinese booths here, you can still see the same concept that we have in the East of vibrancy. And that's why I really like coming to this fair, because a lot of the things we see here is what trickles down to us about 2 years from now. It helps with not only the European market, but a lot of people from this side of the globe. So Africa, they all also come here, and that's where we are.